Next location, guys. OMG. Check out Tanya Estelle's channel. And yeah, you see her back there. We are trying to get these Instagram mobile spots. Y'all, it's hot. I know y'all see me sweating. I put on a full face of makeup. And today is a heat warning. And yeah, you know what? Do it for the gram. No, I'm playing. But yeah, I'm just so excited to bring you guys along with me. And hopefully we got some great shots. Look at that beautiful shot. We probably didn't get no justice yet, but this is our first time, and yeah. Look at this great picture. I probably didn't get it all. It is supposed to be a heat warning today, guys, and it is cloudy, but that's okay. We're still out here. We're doing this for you guys. We got Tanya Estelle on the track, and we're out here. Bye, y'all. I did my makeup as best as I could, and we are out here. Hopefully I got some good shots. Not for sure. Not too for sure, but that's okay. God is good. Today's Sunday. And yeah, let's get it. Okay, guys, so we are going to our third location. No, fourth or third, fifth, I don't know. We're going to another location. And I just want to let you guys know that this is very tough. This is not something that's easy. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I need to lose some weight. But I hope we got some great pictures for you guys. You know, do it for the gram. Yeah, I mean, whatever. But yeah, let's go. On our way to the other location. Y'all, I'm just waiting for the light to turn, the little man to say walk, so I can get across the street. Y'all, we just waiting for the little man to show up so we can walk across the street. That part. Okay guys, so we're going to our 7th location. I hope I really got some great shots for you guys and for myself. But I'm just doing the best I can. Today I really am winging it. We planned the locations, but we didn't plan the heat. I mean, we did, but we didn't, I don't know. Whatever, let's go.
We're having fun in the sun. 110 today. And it's
110?
11:58.
110? We tripping.